Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us a newly launched fitness tracker from Noise and it's the Noise X Fit 1, which is an HRX edition smartwatch. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will show you its features. So here is a box of the Noise X Fit 1. In the front we have the Noise HRX branding and here we have the model name X Fit 1. And in the middle, we can see the picture of the fitness tracker. At the back we have the key features of the fitness tracker and here on the top we can see the color which is jet black, and this fitness tracker is also available in silver grey finish. And about the key features, so we get the 1.52 inch IPS display, SpO2 monitoring, IP68 waterproof, 360 by 400 pixel resolution, stress monitoring, call and SMS quick reply, heart rate monitoring, 15 sports modes, and you get 7 days of battery life. The app Noise Fit is available on both Android and iOS platform. The MRP of this fitness tracker is Rs 5,999. However, it's available to purchase on Amazon for just Rs 2,999. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we have the documentation, and in this we get the user guide with the detailed info about the features of this fitness tracker. Then we have the warranty card and here we have some noise stickers. And then below it, we have the watch itself. And guys, my first impression is that because of this red accent on the strap, this fitness tracker does look sporty. We will look at the tracker in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the charging cable, and guys, it's a magnetic cable which connects at the back of the watch like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the device closely. Noise X Fit 1 HRX edition is a budget fitness tracker. As it's an HRX edition, so this smartwatch is more towards fitness, hence the company is calling it fitness tracker instead of a watch. Now in terms of the build quality and design, I find these straps very comfortable and also the quality is very good. Design wise as well, the strap looks amazing, especially with this red color accent. The body of this watch is made up of polycarbonate and due to that it's lightweight. In terms of the display, we have the 1.52 inch IPS display with the resolution of 360 by 400 pixels, and in the front we also get this curved glass. Now in terms of the overview, we have the single button on the right side, and here at the back we have the sensors and the charging pins. And here we can see we get the 180 mAh battery in this fitness tracker. So overall in terms of design and build quality, I'm really happy with this watch and it does look and feel well built. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So the watch is on, and for pairing we need to download the app Noise Fit, and it's available on both Android and iOS platform. And here we have to pair a new device and select the X Fit 1 from the list. And that's it, our fitness tracker is now ready to use. Now let me show you the watch features first. So here we have the watch face, and upon long pressing you have different watch faces. And as it's a fitness tracker, you get fitness based watch faces by default. And guys, you can also add more watch faces from the app, which I will show you in a moment. So now about the controls, swiping down will show you the notifications and swiping up will show you the quick settings. And here we have the brightness, torch and the settings. Swiping right or left will show you the quick cards, which includes activity status, heart rate, stress monitoring, SpO2, sleep and music controls. To access the main menu, you will need to press the side button once, and here we have the activity which shows you the current day's fitness data. And guys, here I find the touch very responsive and also the menu is lag free. Then in the menu we have the workout modes, and here we have the outdoor running and walking, treadmill, outdoor and indoor cycling, freestyle, basketball, football, badminton, core training, strength training, yoga, cricket, dance and the HIIT. And as you can see, workout mode wise, you get good options in this fitness tracker. Then in the menu we have the sport record menu, which will show you the history of your workouts. And after that we have the sleep menu, and here you can see your last night's sleep details. After that we have the SpO2 monitoring, and guys, the data seems accurate when we compare it with the SpO2 meter. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the heart rate, and here as well the data is accurate and you also get the continuous heart rate monitoring in this fitness tracker. Then we have the weather, and here we have the current weather condition as well as the weather forecast. Then we have the breathe menu, which allows you to do some breathing exercise. After that we have the reminders, which shows you the reminders which you have set in the app. Then we have the music menu, and with this you can control the music on your phone and also increase or decrease the volume. Then we have the alarm, stopwatch, and then the stress monitoring. And guys, you also get this world clock, and here you can add different cities from the app. Then we have the watch face menu, which shows you the default watch faces. After that we have the settings. Here you have the brightness settings, vibration, raise to wake feature, which by the way works pretty good and also quite responsive. After that we have the usual power off, reset and reboot option. So that's all the features we have on the fitness tracker, and feature wise it looks pretty good, and the menu is also lag free and very user friendly. Now let me show you the app Noise Fit. So here we have the app Noise Fit, and on the home page we have the fitness data, which includes step count, calories burned, and then here we have the heart rate, SpO2 and the sleep data. Upon tapping on any of these category, you can see the historical data. The next page is the watch face store, and here you can see different cloud-based watch faces. And guys, I really like how neatly categorized it is. And also about the watch faces, you get plenty of options, and some of the watch faces do look good on the fitness tracker. Then we have the setting page, and here you can see the current battery status and also select the app for which you want the notification on this smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, you also get the quick replies option for calls and messages, but it only works with Android phones. And here you can see on the iOS, we don't get the quick reply option. But again, it's pretty good and I'm happy to see this feature. And also, this fitness tracker does support emojis, which is again also an advantage. Now coming back to the settings, then in the settings we have the continuous heart rate monitoring, sedentary reminder, drink water reminder, and also the hand wash reminder. Even though there is no camera shutter menu in the tracker, but here in the settings, we have the camera shutter option. And with this, you can use your watch as a remote shutter, and when you shake the watch, it will click the picture. So that's all the features we have on the smartwatch and on the app. And we think that this HRX Edition fitness tracker from Noise looks very promising. And if you're in the market for a good quality fitness tracker with a good design but not actually looking for a fitness band, then the Noise XFit 1 is a good option. The data is accurate, and as it's a fitness tracker, you get good options in terms of the workout modes. So if you're looking to purchase a smartwatch / fitness tracker under Rs 3000, then do check out the Noise XFit 1. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Noise XFit 1 HRX Edition fitness tracker. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this fitness tracker in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.